Exercise 3.4. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and substitution method. Yes, substitution method we have learned in the previous exercise. Now we are going to start the elimination method. How to solve the linear equation with the help of the elimination method. Now first I am taking the first example here. X plus y is equal to 5, and this is the first equation. And 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is our second equation. Now to eliminate, we want to eliminate the one of the variables. So let us make their coefficients equal of equation 1. Yes, so multiply the equation 1 by 2. You will get 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. This is your third equation. And 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. On solving the equation, what will you get? This is your equation 4. So here you will get 5y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 upon 5. Now you get the value of y. By eliminating, you have eliminated the x from the equation by making their coefficient equal. You can see here, by multiplying the equation 1 by 2, we have made the coefficient same for the x. So in this way we can eliminate the x. Now we are going to learn y is equal to 6 by 5 on putting the value of y in equation number 2. This is your equation number 2. On putting the value of y in this equation 3, in place of y we can write 6 by 5 is equal to 4. So here 2x minus 18 by 5 is equal to 4. So 2x is equal to 4 plus 18 by 5. So x is equal to 2x is equal to 20 plus 18, that is 38 by 5. So x is equal to 38 by 5 into 1 upon 2. You will cancel it. You will get the 19 by 5. X is equal to 19 by 5. On solving it, you will get the x is equal to 19.5. So in this way we can solve this equation. Now let us solve the question number 4. Let's take question number 4. How to solve this question number 4 here. First equation is x by 2 plus 2y is equal to 3 is equal to minus 1. X minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. Now first of all we'll multiply the equation 1 by 6. When you multiply the equation 1 by 6, you will get 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. That will be your first equation. And from this equation you will get, on multiplying the equation by 3, you will get 3x minus y is equal to 9. This is your second equation. So when you will solve this, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. On solving it, you will get 5y is equal to minus 15, which will give you the 5y is equal to minus 15 upon 5. 5 3s are 15, so y is equal to minus 3. On putting the y is equal to minus 3 in any of the equation, this is your first equation, this is your second equation. On putting the value of y in equation 1. So what is our equation 1? 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. So in place of y, we can write the value of y plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. On solving this, 3x minus 12 is equal to minus 6. So 3x is equal to minus 6 plus 12. 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. So this will give you x is equal to 2. Simple. हमको क्या करना है? We want to eliminate the one of the variable by equating their coefficient. दोनों के कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल करके आप इसका एक वेरिएबल को एलिमिनेट कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे आपने सब्ट्रैक्शन जब किया, दोनों के साइन अपोजिट हो गए, आपका एक वेरिएबल यहाँ से एलिमिनेट हो गया. ठीक है, हटा देना. एलिमिनेशन मीन्स रिमूव दैट. सो द इक्वेशन will get the value of one of the variable. When we'll put this value into the another equation, we will get the value of another variable. From the pair of linear equation in the following problem, find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. Yes. Pair of linear equation in the following problem. Yes. First of all, we want to find the pair of linear equation and find the solution if they exist. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, suppose we have a fraction, let the fraction is x upon y. Let the fraction is x upon y. Now, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction is reduces to 1. So with the help of this, we will get the one equation. X plus 1 is equal to 1 into y minus 1. So you will get here the x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. When you will solve it, when you will open it, you will get the y. Here, when you will transpose it, it will become minus y. Yes, minus 1 will become plus 1. So you will get, देखिए आपको क्या मिलेगा, x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. On solving it, x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Similarly, we can make the second equation. Now, it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. Yes, this is our fraction. it becomes 1 by 2 when you add 1 to the denominator only. So by this you will get 2x is equal to 2x is equal to y plus 1, or you can say that 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So now you can solve the equation number 1 and 2. Yes, x minus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0, and 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us take the coefficients first. 1 by 2 not equal to 1. So they have unique solution. What we have compared here, a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. That means they have a solution. So how we can solve this solution? On solving this, on the solving equation 1 and 2, this is 1, this is 2, यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं on solving equation 1 and 2. On solving equation 1 and 2, here you will get, yes, minus x plus 3 is equal to 0, implies that minus x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 3. On putting the x is equal to 3 in any of the equation, x minus y is equal x minus y plus, what is your equation 2? X minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3 minus y plus 2 is equal to 0, or 3 plus 2 is equal to y, or 5 is equal to y. So in this way your answer, what is the solution of the equation? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5, the solution of the equation. Let us solve the next question. Now 5 years ago the Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago. Let the present age of Noori and Sonu. Let the present age of Noori is equal to x and present age of Sonu is equal to y. Ten years later, now Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, the 10 years later, the present age of the Noori and Sonu will be 10 years later. The ages of Noori and Sonu will be x plus 10 and y plus 10 respectively. Now Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So what is the Nuri's is after 10 years x plus 10. It will be the twice as old as is the Sonu. So this is a y plus 10. Now here x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 10. So here you will get 2y plus 20. Here you will get x minus 2y plus 10 minus 20 is equal to 0. So x minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is your second equation. And 5 years ago, the Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So 5 years ago, 5 years ago, the ages of Nuri and Sonu was x minus 5 and y minus 5 respectively. And what is the relation between their ages? X minus 5. 5 years ago, the relation was Nuri was thrice as old as was the Sonu. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So this is y minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to yes, from the equation you will get, from this equation you will get this x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. So on solving this you will get x minus 5 minus 3y plus 15 is equal to 0. So you will get here x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is your second equation. So this is your first equation. Now when you will solve these two equations, what will you get here? X minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Second equation. This is your first equation. On solving this, what will you get? You will get y minus 20 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 20. On putting the y is equal to 20 in equation 1, so x minus 3 into y plus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 60 plus 10 is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 50. So what are their ages? X is equal to 50 and y is equal to 20. Now check their relation. 5 years ago, the Noori's age will be 45 years, and this will be the 3 times of 5 years ago. The Sonu will be 15 years. So you can check their ages. The Noori's age is 3 times of the Sonu's age. This is the present age of Sonu's present age. Sonu's present age. And this is the Noori's present age. Noori's present age. What we have supposed here? We have supposed that X and Y are the present ages of Noori and Sonu. So these are the present ages of the Noori and Sonu. So how to check? 5 years ago, the Noori was 45 years, and 5 years ago Sonu was 15 years old, because their present ages are 20 and 50 respectively. So when you will subtract the 5 from their ages, what is the relation you are getting? 45. The age of Noori is equal to 3 times the age of Sonu. That means whatever equation we have find, this is whatever value of Noori's and Sonu's age we have find, this is the correct, because we are getting the correct relation. And 10 years, after 10 years, the Noori will be 60 years and Sonu will be 30 years. This is the twice as old as the Sonu. This is the second condition. Ki Noori was twice as old as Sonu after 10 years. So after 10 years, the Noori will be 60 years and Sonu will be of 30 years, and the relation between their ages, there will be the Noori's age will be the twice as old as the Sonu. Now let us see the LHS is equal to RHS. That means the values which we have find is the correct. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Sum of a digits of 2-digit number is 9. Sum of a digits of 2-digit number is 9. Let the digits of a number are X and Y. Let the digits of a number is X and Y. Sum of the digit, that means X plus Y is equal to 9. This is our first equation. Also 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. 9 times the number. So 2-digit number. What will be the 2-digit number? Let the digits of the number X and Y implies that the 2-digit number will be 2 digits number will be 10x plus y. X is at the tens place, y is at the ones place. एक चीज आपको और इसमें सपोज करनी पड़ेगी. Let the x is at the tens place and y is at the units place or ones place. Then number will be 10x plus y. That will be the number. Now the 9 times of that number, that is 9 times of 10x plus y, is equal to twice the number obtained on reversing the digit. When you will reversing the digit, what will you get? 10y plus x. On reversing the digit, the digits, that number will be 10y plus x. आप उसको बदल रिवर्स कर देंगे, टेंस प्लेस का नंबर वंस प्लेस पे आएगा एंड वंस प्लेस का नंबर टेंस प्लेस पे जाएगा. दैट नंबर विल बी 10y plus x. So 9 times of that number will be the 2 times of the number reverse by reversing it. So that is the relation between these two. Now that 90x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 2x. Yes, I'm solving it. 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y is equal to 0. Yes, you will get 88x minus 11y is equal to 0. So you will get here, when you will take 11 common, 8x minus y is equal to 0. So 8x minus y is equal to 0. This is your second equation. On solving the equation 1 and 2, on solving the equation 1 and 2, the equation 1 and 2, इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 को सॉल्व करेंगे. क्या है, x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 9 है एंड 8x माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 0 है. जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो 9x इज इक्वल टू 9. सो x इज इक्वल टू 1 and on putting x is equal to 1 in equation 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 in equation 1. इक्वेशन 1, ये चीज़ तो आपको आती होगी. इसमें जब भी हम किसी भी एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू मिल गई हम किसी भी इक्वेशन में पुट कर दें. सो 1 प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 9. सो y इज इक्वल टू 8 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 8. यहाँ से हमको मिल गया, देखिए, x इज इक्वल टू 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8, and the number is, what will be the number? The required number is equal to 18. Yes, check it. 9 times of that number 18 is equal to 2 times when we reverse it. So 9 8s are 72, 9 1s are 9 or 7, 16 is equal to 2 times of 81. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. देख लीजिए, दोनों आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड बराबर मिल रहा है. LHS is equal to RHS. So you can say that whatever value you have find, it is correct. Answer, the required number will be 18. Let us move to the next question. Meena went to the bank to withdraw a rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 notes only. And Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of the rupees 50 and 100 she received. Let us consider that Meena received let Meena received 50 and 100 rupees, X notes of 50 rupees, and Y notes of 100 rupees. So what is the given here? She got total 25 rupees. That means X plus Y is equal to 25. This is our first equation. Now Meena has to withdraw 2000 rupees. So whatever 50 rupees, the X notes of 50 rupees she is getting, and Y note of 100 rupees, which is equal to 2000. Yes, we want to find how many 50 rupees and how many 100 rupees. So this is our second equation. 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Now take the 50 common. So what will you get? X plus 2y is equal to 2000. That is x plus 2y is equal to 2000 divided by 50. So 5 4s are 20. That is 40. So x plus 2y is equal to 40. This is your second equation. On solving equation 1 and 2, on solving equation 1 and 2, what will you get? X plus y is equal to 25 and x plus 2y is equal to 40. So when you will solve it, you will get minus y is equal to minus 15. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हो गया. y is equal to 15. This will give you, on putting value of y in equation 1, x plus y is equal to 25. This is our equation 1. So x plus 15 is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 minus 10. So x is equal to 10. Answer, the Meena will get, answer, Meena will get 10 notes of 50 rupees and 15 notes of 100 rupees. Let us check what happened. 10 notes of 50 rupees. So 10 into 50 plus 15 notes of 100 rupees. So 10 fives are 50, 500 plus 15 into 100, 1500. Yes, sum of the rupees equal to 2000. That is the value we have find is correct. X और Y की जो वैल्यूज हमने फाइंड की हैं, दिस इज द करेक्ट वैल्यूज. सबसे पहला काम है इक्वेशन को फ्रेम करना. तो हमने फर्स्ट हमको दिया है कि टोटल उसके पास 25 रुपीज़ हैं, तो उसने मतलब x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 25. सिमिलरली अब क्या बोल रहा है कि 50 रुपीज़ और 100 रुपीज़ के नोट्स का सम जो है वो 2000. टोटल मनी उसके पास 2000 है. लेट x रुपीज़ ऑफ x नोट्स ऑफ 50 रुपीज़ एंड y नोट्स ऑफ 100 रुपीज़, ही इज गेटिंग 2000 रुपीज़. So 50 into x plus 100 into y is equal to 2000. So सॉल्व करेंगे इसको आप, 50 कॉमन ले लेंगे. इक्वेशन क्या मिलेगा आपको, x plus 2y is equal to 40. जब इक्वेशन 1 और 2 को आप सॉल्व करेंगे आपको x और y की वैल्यूज मिल जाएंगी. y is equal to 15, y की वैल्यू आप इक्वेशन 1 में रख दीजिए, आपको x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 10. आपने यहाँ पे चेक करके देख लिया कि 10 notes of 50 rupees, it will give you the 500 rupees. 15 notes of 100, it will give you the 1500 rupees, and sum of the money will be 2000 rupees. That means the value which we have find the x and y is correct.